Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to add highlights on Instagram without adding to story. Now for us to get this done, let's just go ahead and tap the plus sign here on the story, and then let's go ahead and click the select button right here in order for us to select multiple images. I'm gonna go ahead and choose, say for example, 10. There you go. Now I'm gonna click the next button right here and choose a separate layout. Click the next button, and under here, so we have your story. Instead of that, choose close friends. Now this is especially useful if you are trying to hide this and you have, let's say for example, thousands of followers. You don't have to manually hide it to them one by one. Now what is going to be asked here is one person at least, so go ahead and click that, and you can basically choose one of your other accounts, or if you don't have that one, then you can basically choose someone whom you don't want to show this to, or someone who's not close to you. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and click the done button right here, click the share button, click done once again, and you should be able to add this one to your story. And as you can see here, basically this is close friends, and again you can see here who your close friend is. Now I'm gonna go ahead and proceed by going here. Now we're going to head over to the plus sign over here and choose story highlight, and then from here go ahead and add those images. So I'm gonna go ahead and add, I think there were 10 of them. All right, there you go. There is a date, by the way, which you can check. So yeah, once you're done, just go ahead and tap the next button. You can go ahead and name this whatever you want. I'm just going to go ahead and name this one sample highlights. All right, and then you can also go ahead and click the edit cover right here in order for you to choose which cover you think is going to fit best with this one. So I'm gonna go ahead, let's go back a little bit, make this a little bit bigger, and then click the done button here at the top. Done once again, and there you go. So now we have successfully added a new highlight. And yeah, that is how simple it is to get this done.